Are you okay driving? Did they give you medicine? Yeah, but that electric is still alive.
I've done it with a lot higher power to it.
Yeah, and then you really are trying, hon?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. It's almost 8 o'clock. Nagising ako 7. Lutuin natin to, guys. Ito yung lutuin natin. Pure Foods corned beef. Matagal na akong hindi nakakain ng corned beef. As in talaga, matagal na. Alam nyo, guys, kagabi, I opened the window and hindi ko, alam ko talagang gumiginaw. And then, mahangin din kagabi. Sobrang hangin. So, maginaw siya. Sobrang ginaw talaga. Hindi ko nafe-feel yung ginaw. Nafe-feel ko na lang siya nung umalis na ako sa comforter. Nasa ilalim kasi ako nasa comforter. So, hindi ko nafe-feel yung ginaw. Sobrang komportable. Ganon-ganon. So, too late na kasi yung aso ko. Dalawa. As in, ganun talaga sila, guys. Nagginaw talaga, mahangin, and then open yung window. So, hindi ko talaga na-feel. Nakikita ko talaga silang dalawa. Parang isang bola na yung katawan nila kasi sobrang ginaw pala. Kalukom na, wey. Hindi man si mama nag-alala. Anyway, guys. So, yun, guys. Inom lang ako ng tubig, and then magluto tayo nito. Tignan natin kung meron tayong onion. Kailangan ko nang maglinis sa refrigerator na naman, guys. Walang katapusan talagang linis itong refrigerator. Ay, iwan ko na lang. Anyway, guys, so magkakat lang ako ng onion and then inom ng tubig after and then ready to cook na the corned beef for breakfast. Alam nyo, hindi na lang ako mag-corned beef. Alam nyo, mag-corned beef na lang tayo. Itong utak ko baka is paano-ano, pabaylo-baylo. There's only you in my love. Da 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 da. My baby. Baby. Okay, come here, Roxy. Come here. Your daughter. Your daughter is...
That time of day where she's crazy, making you nuts. Pretentious now. She's sleeping all night long. Now she wants your attention.
So, what did you have for breakfast? Salad for breakfast? Seriously? Kain tayo, guys, sa masarap na corned beef. Yeah, I don't know why tinawag nila itong corned beef. Bakit ng beef naging corn? Ay, ginoo ko. Bakit hindi nilang giniling na beef? Giniling na beef. Ano ba? Na-miss ko to, guys. Hindi ko to binibili palagi kasi mahal. Mahal doon sa Asian store, sa talagang malaking Asian store. Mas minahalan nila dito sa maliit na Asian store. Para may profit sila, di ba? Anyway, ang sarap ng breakfast ko. Konti lang yung rice. This is okay lang. Sarap. Sarap. Ang init ng coffee. Coffee ko. Masarap ba yung coffee ko, guys? Yun yung ginagamit ng kapatid ko sa Pilipinas eh. Yung kapag magkape sila noon, coffee ko. Somebody's looking at me. Roxy. Ang sarap ng corned beef. Ang dami pa guys, oh. Marami tayong leftover. Now, before tayo maligo, punta tayo sa taas. Mag-edit. Kasi kailangan nating mag-edit. Edit tayo. And then, maligo tayo. Ang ginaw, guys. Ulan ang ulan talaga. Walang katapos ang ulan. Kailangan ko na talaga maligo. Ay, ang daming dahon sa paligid. Nakikiluki. Ang dami. Tapos na tayong naligo. Yung camera ko. Anyway. So, maulan siya, guys. And then, plano namin nilo alis. Alis kami. Punta kami ng mga outlet doon. Iwan ko kung saan, pero may mga outlet. Meron, basta yun sa, ano daw, Woodbury. And, parang nag-change yung mind ko kasi ulan. And then, akala ko yung outlet is one big building. So, ngayon, hindi pala. Individually, ano pala siya. Brand building. Yung mga brand ng mga product. And, dapat pala maglakad-lakad ka sa labas. And, maulan-ulan. So, hindi kami mag-enjoy. Alam nyo naman ako pag ulan. Dagan ang dagan. Takbo ang takbo. Kasi mabasa tayo. Nag-text silo. Teka muna. Si Tammy din, guys, papunta siya dito. Before siya punta dito, tumawag siya sa akin. May appointment siya sa dentist. May dentist appointment siya. And then, so ngayon, andun siya. So, naghintay na lang ako ko. Pero papunta siya dito. So, ngayon, sabihin ko, ano bang sabihin ko kay Lo? Ang bango ng yung niluto ko kanina ba na tawag nito, yung corned beef, ang bango. So, buong bahay naging corned beef, siya amoy. So, ngayon, nagpakandol na naman ako. Ito yung ginagawa ko, guys, kapag talaga yung bahay is nangangamoy ng mga niluluto. Ay, nako, si candle is pang solve ng problema. Ngayon, yung labas is ulan talaga. Look, basa yung Oh, basa. Ulan-ulan pa rin siya, ulan ng ulan. And then, kung, di ba, magpunta kami doon, mag-shopping, and mag-enjoy, lakad-lakad sa labas pala. Akala ko isang building, so maglakad-lakad sa labas. And mabasa yung camera ko. And, din ako sa ulan. Uy, parang tawag nito. Allergic. Joke lang. Allergic sa ulan. Anyway, guys, luto lang tayo ng kanin. Tapos na akong nagluto ng kanin. Hindi ko iniwan kasi parang iba ang init ng rice cooker ko. I think yung rice cooker ko is almost giving up na. I think the rice cooker is giving up. It's been like 10 years na yan sa akin. Matagal na. So, I think kailangan na siyang nagluko na ba? Nagluko. Ang sakit ng ginawa. Ang sakit na yun. So, ngayon guys, kukunin ko lang ito kasi kanina pa to dito. And, yun. Hello? You don't text me or call me.
Call me now. Yeah, I'm going to talk to you.
You just get out?
Yeah, I got to stop. I'm in the house. I got to stop picking up my bag and whatever.
You just get out, huh? That was a long freaking thing.
Yeah, and painful.
Why?
Because they gotta poke around and measure. They gotta measure how much gum I got.
Are you okay driving? Did they give you medicine?
Ripping a headache. Just like I could feel a pain in my head just pounding and pounding as I kept poking and poking.
So you're gonna stop and get something and come home because we're not going.
What happened?
It's raining.
I know it's raining. Well, it's indoor. Why?
No, I look at online. It's individual outlet in the whole area. It's a lot of branded outlets. Individual store. So you kind of like walking all over the place and it's raining and it's not.
Okay, it's alright. I know Filipinos don't like rain.
Huh?
I know Filipinos don't like rain.
No, and then it's not fun, you know, like this weather.
It could always be fun.
No, this rain, honey, is like, believe me, honey, It's like cold here. It's 40 something degree. I look in our, you know, that temperature thingy.
Yeah, let's see. Car says 54 here.
40 something here. Itong si Dimples, iyak ng iyak. Kaluka naman ikaw, Dimps. Hindi ako nag-blow dry, guys, kasi nasisira na itong buko. Si Tami na naman tumawag. Kaya, ano na kaya ito? Paalis na ata sa isang bahay. Itong mga to ba, mga to, ano na lang siya. Ang gagawin ko na lang hindi ko siya itapon kasi magagamit ko to, guys. May plano ako. Gamit ko to para pang decor. Lagyan ko sila ng ano sa ilalim, and then lagyan ko sila ng mga maputing bulaklak. Kahit anik-anik, and then i-line up na lang siya. Kung yung sa mga wall, maglagay ka ng ano, parang shelf sa wall, and then parang i-line up mo sila. Yan. Para sayang naman, 'di ba? Oh, ang ganda ng mga ano. Maganda yung ano niya, look. Ano, linisin mo lang siya, and then yun, and then boom, may pang-decor ka na. So ngayon, papunta si Tami dito at hindi tayo makalakad. Hindi, meron naman akong paa, so makalakad tayo. Hindi tayo with low. So, masakit daw yung bibig niya dahil galing siya sa dentist, di ba? So, masakit yung bibig niya. So, ayaw niya kumakain ng mga hard na pagkain. So, gusto niya magluto kami ng pasta with, muna ako ng sauce. Lutuin natin itong sauce. 3 talagang yung gusto niya kasi gusto niya yung sauce. And then, meron tayong meatballs, Italian style beef meatballs from Costco ito, guys. And Costco meatballs, guys, itong klase is malasa talaga siya. As in, lasang-lasa mo yung meatballs. So, kaya, magluluto tayo. So, ito yung gamitin ko. Para, ito na lang, ganon, simple. Meron pala akong maraming malaki dyan sa ilalim. Meron pa isa, oh. Tignan nga natin. May cover pa. Tika muna, guys. Ay, iba yan. Ang unahin ko, guys, is magisa ko ng onion garlic, and then ilagay natin itong meatballs, iba-brown lang natin, and then ilagay natin itong tomato. Yun na, guys, nalagay na natin si garlic. Bakit garlic? Garlic at saka si onion. Yun. And next, ang ilagay natin is ito. I-try nyo nga ito, guys. Microwavable meat and serve. Yun. Oh, ice talaga siya, guys. Nabubungkag na yun siya, guys. I mean, nabubungkag. Na talaga siya, nawala. So, yun. Pabayaan lang natin mag-fry, and then, yan. Pan opener. Ay, lami. Ang sarap na tulog, guys. Ganitong mga ganitong araw na maulan, maginaw. Ang bango. 3 tomatoes, crushed tomato, and isang organic tomato sauce. And guys, nilagyan ko siya ng basil, yung dried basil, and also crushed, paminta, yun. Pabayaan lang natin. Alam nyo yung pasta, mga ganito, guys. Sauce na mga ganito. Pabayaan nyo lang siya ilang oras. Maganda nito is 3 to 4 hours. Ang sarap ng sauce. As in, maganda yung Mamaya, lagyan natin siya ng konting asin, and then kaunting sugar. Kasi, to balance the kasi itong tomato, di ba? Konting sugar lang, hindi kasi hindi sila mahilig sa matamis. Andito na si Mr. Cupido. Where's Misty? Okay. So that's why I never go out, guys, because look at the weather. It's just like cold and rainy. So I guess it was really windy last night because everything changed on. Everything's moved away. Yeah. This is closer. This is closer to that.
I don't think so. table was a little bit over there. You moved it when you put the table back
No, I didn't. Honestly, hon, no.
You put the table back out.
And this is crooked. I just changed it. It's just like that. And then I just arrange it.
You must have moved it to put the table in there.
No, I carry it on top and then put it in there. Honestly, hon.
That didn't blow over. That would have blew over first time.
Somebody's here last night. Over here it's not wet. Over there is so wet.
That didn't blow off. This didn't blow off really easy. The glove would have blown away.
Somebody's here.
Yeah, somebody named Ging.
No, I don't move those things. Ging. You call me Ging? You just did call me Ging. Nagkutipot niya mo nagkutipot. Hi, Rox. It's chilly out here, Rocky Rock. It's cold out here. It's cold out here, baby. It's nice to just cuddle up inside, right? In the bed. In the bed. Do you want to go to bed? Do you want? Let's go to bed. Bed. You're too cute. I love you. She's not happy with me, hon. You know why? No, I gave treats twice today. And she's not happy because she just keeps jumping. She doesn't listen. She just keeps jumping on me. I'm sitting down. And then I have a bottle, like a water bottle. She doesn't listen. I sit down. I'm being nice. Down. She doesn't listen. So I squeeze the bottle. And she ran away. And then after that, she doesn't come to me. Oh, gosh. Then, yan, nag-simmer lang siya dyan. Pabayaan lang natin yan. And inaano ko siya, mini-mix-mix. Hindi palagi. Nag-react si Tammy, guys, kasi nilagyan ko ng sugar ito. Konting sugar lang. I've been watching Laura Vitale how to make tomato sauce good for your pasta with the meatballs. So, I've been watching her for a long time, and that's how I learned making tomato sauce. You have to put a little sugar to balance yung taste ng tomato, and then kasi lagyan din ng konting salt, and then yun, later on lagyan mo siya ng sugar. Yun lang, nag-react si Mister kasi narinig ako. Nandun siya sa labas, nanigarilyo. Narinig pala ako na, hey, what are you doing?
Looking for some things, and I'm going to ask you where the ballots are.
It's right here. Ito na, guys, yung kinuha na order, yung kinuha na order, so Tammy order again a different one. So it's right here. It's right here, love. Yeah. Tammy have a pen. It's like he's having an office with tons of people because look at that. A pen over there. Give it to me. Where is it? Careful. Guys, he's going to fix that thing. Why you're going to fix it? What do you like about it? You don't?
Change the ballots.
Oh, why you let me hold all this? Be careful, electric, huh?
Here, I'll set the electric off.
No, hold on.
I don't know why you didn't put them down as I give them to you.
Because you're taking the whole thing? Ala, careful, Tommy. Look, guys, dalawang malaking lights. Look, it doesn't work kasi. Ilagay natin sa bed kasi para hindi ano. Yan, dyan muna yan. And I'm going to close this door para hindi paglaruan. Doon naman si Dimples. I don't know kung asan si Hubs. You have to shut off the electric, okay? The whole electric?
No, just for this.
That looks smaller compared to what's in there. Ang tigas ng ulo. You're hard-head. He want to kill himself. He want to play with the thing, guys. And then it's still live electric. Can you just shut off the kitchen, Han?
I worked with a lot.
Yeah, but that electric is still alive.
I've done it with a lot higher power to it.
Yeah, and then you really are trying, Han?
I got the shoes on. I've been down this ladder with my socks.
Can you just be careful, please?
I don't care.
Okay?
I got Alan watching out.
Han, be careful, okay?
The little man is watching.
Please be careful.
That is on.
Careful. Masarap na siya. Tinitikman ko siya. Masarap naman siya. I'm dizzy, guys. Han, I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy. Huh? I'm dizzy, guys. Hello, eh. Ganun pala yung feeling ng dizzy. Yung talagang dizzy na dizzy, parang earthquake na walang gumagalaw. Uy, why I'm dizzy? I'm perfectly okay. Tumitingin ako sa ano ba? Wala naman gumagalaw kasi baka earthquake.
I'm very worried about Lance. I didn't mean to say that out loud.
My B-boy. My B-boy. Itchy here, B-boy. Itchy.
You believe Martin wrote
Where's your kids? Look at that, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Hana, we gonna eat now? It's better, it's hot.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Right, that's good.
Oh, so we had none, and now all of a sudden we got a bunch of them. Where'd they all come from?
I got from Walmart. This is different. This one is different too. Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
So we're having dinner, guys. I guess, guys, this is our dinner. Pasta and just this.
Every once in a while, huh?
Huh?
Every once in a while. Like, how often do you do that?
No.
Wearing the same sweater over my shirt.
Yeah, he's wearing. He's cold, guys. That's why he's wearing this red sweater again. I love you.
You too.
He fixed the thing, guys.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He's an electrician, Bulboridian. Bulboridian. Do you notice?
I have no idea what that is.
Nothing. I don't even have a clue. We're gonna end this vlog. We just finished having our dinner, which is unique dinner. There's no vegetables whatsoever.
So you can put broccoli into the pasta, then you got vegetables.
I love you. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
I won't be here tomorrow, but she'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
I love you. Anyway,
The
guys.
bird's going crazy.
What is that?
Oh,
What kind of bird is that?
Oh, nothing stuck in there, right?
It's on top, huh?
Okay.
No, nothing is stuck in that bird feeder.
The bird's in the tree. It's chirping like crazy.
Yeah. Maingay yung ibon, baka man. Guys, very gloomy. Very ano talaga ngayon, guys. Rainy. Tignan nyo dun, oh. Ano na talaga siya dun, foggy. And it's get darker fast now. You notice that?
Yes, huh? That's what it does in the winter.
Wintry na, guys,
It
talaga.
gets light earlier.
No. It get darker later, too. Oh, no. It get lighter later.
It gets lighter earlier in the morning, and it gets darker earlier at night. Yes.
No, Han. It's 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. It's still dark. Hala, that bird ba? It's just keep whining, Han. Okay, guys. We're gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're just gonna relax, guys. Hala. It's a bird. Goodness.